Alright, hi guys. I'll walk you through another example. Here we have 300 yards in 10.9 minutes, and I'm trying to get it 2 miles per hour. Now, I don't see the word per, but here is just another version of the word per. So there's my fraction, yards per 10.9 minutes, and I'm trying to get 2 miles per hour. Okay, so I can start, and I have some stuff put together here, so I'm a little faster. Here I'm going to start, and I'm starting with yards per minute, and my starting spot is 300 yards in 10.9 minutes. Alright, so now I want to multiply by a fraction that is equal to 1, so it has to be 60 feet or 60 minutes and 1 hour, something like that, so that it's equal to 1. How about we get rid of yards first? I could go directly from yards to miles. I would probably have to look that one up because I don't know that one top of my head, but I know for sure I can go from yards to feet. So here, this would cancel my yards because I have it in the numerator and denominator, and I'm just asking myself, well, how many feet in a yard? Well, I know that one. That's 3. So there's 3 feet in 1 yard. Okay. I am still not to miles, though. I'm trying to get to miles. So now I need to get rid of the yards. Well, I have yard here. Nope, canceled yards. I'm trying to get rid of feet. I have feet here, so I need another feet down here. My feet will cancel. But now I'm trying to get to miles. So the question I have to ask myself, how many feet in a mile? That's the 5280. 5280 feet in 1 mile. Now I don't need to put the ones in here. It's fine just to kind of keep it with the unit. Alright, so if I look, I can go ahead and cancel. Why not? My yards are gone. My feet are gone. And right now I have miles in the numerator, minutes in the denominator. Okay? I'm trying to get to hours, so I need to figure out a way to get rid of the minutes. If I have minutes in the denominator, I want minutes in the numerator, so it cancels. I'm going to end up in hours. So the question I have for myself is how many minutes an hour? Or how many hours in a minute? Well, I know that. That's 60 minutes in 1 hour. And I check out my canceling. My minutes cancel. My minutes cancel. If you look straight across now, if I look straight across here, I'm going to end up with miles, because there's nothing else up there, and I just have to multiply all those numbers together. And if I look straight across here, there should only be one unit if you did it right, and this is hour. So I'm going to end up with some sort of fraction in miles per hour. So I have my units perfect. I just need to get my multiplying out. What I would do in my calc, and I did it off to the side here already, I would just type 300, this one, times 3, times 60, hit equals, that's how I got this, 54,000, but then we have to divide that by the denominator, the product of the denominators. So I divide that. Now look at how I have the parentheses here, just to make sure I'm not losing anything. I'm dividing my answer by 10.9 times 5280. I hit equals, and that gives me my answer. So my answer, and we can round it, I would say 0.94 miles per hour. There's my answer. You can take a second. That's pretty slow. That's less than a mile per hour. But look back, just think about this. Does this make sense? 300 yards in 10.9 minutes, is that fast or slow? It's pretty slow. So our answer totally makes sense. That's good. There's example 2. There's one more if you need another one.